Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains Out, and today we're at Doncaster, one of the junction stations on the East Coast Mainline. So you're seeing services by Virgin Trains East Coast, Cross Country, Northern, and with any luck, a little bit of freight as well. Over there you can see 67030 idling away quite nicely. It's sat next to 321901. And we've got a Cross Country Mark III sitting there. Just behind that lot down there is a Greater Anglia 156. There's a Porterbrook 47 behind that lot in there with a Wabtec 08 with a couple of rakes of Mark IVs for Virgin Trains East Coast. Down in the very far distance, you may just be able to make that out. That is a Collis Rail Class 56, but for the love of me, I can't remember the number. So, let's see what shall turn up here at Doncaster. Okay, no. There you go. So, do shut up, man. It's the 1347 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Leeds. (91-108) is at the front. Right, I'll move a bit further, I can get the DVT for you. Okay, the DVT is 82214, as my service that brought me in from Leeds is now continuing onwards towards London King's Cross with 82220 at the front and 92110 will be on the rear. Okay, the next train drive is going to be the 1358 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Newcastle. (91-119) at the front. Someone's cooking something nice in there. On the rear is 82203. Covered in dirt and God knows what else. Okay, now departing is the 1358 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Newcastle. Also coming in is the additional 1358 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. The Virgin Trains East Coast HST set. At the front is 43257. And then I shall get the rear upon her departure. Okay, get ready to depart amongst all this wind. Here's going to be the 1358 Virgin Trains East Coast HST service to London King's Cross from Edinburgh Waverley. And the next train drive is going to be the 1402 Northern Service to Bridlington. On the rear is 43302. Here is 158903. Okay, the next train drive is going to be the 1411 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Edinburgh Waverley. Ninety-one 106 at the front. With 82208 on the rear. Okay, the next train to arrive is a cross-country Voyager service from Birmingham New Street to Newcastle Central. It's 221131. Okay, getting ready to depart is the 1411 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Edinburgh Waverley. Okay, the next train to part is going to be the 1413 Northern Service to Sheffield. One 42096. And waiting at the top is the 1420 Virgin Trains East Coast Service to Leeds. Okay, now coming in is the 1420 Virgin Trains East Coast Service to Leeds. So another one of their 225 sets. At the front is 91117. West Riding Limited. And on the rear is 82223. And about to pass by is a Grand Central Adelante running from Sunderland to London King's Cross. Okay, now departing is the 1420 Virgin Trains East Coast Service to Leeds with its short formation service. And then about to pass by is an Edinburgh to London train. (82217) with 91126. And then the next train drive appears to be a Hull Trains Adelante. (180-109). And the next train to come thundering along is going to be a Virgin Trains East Coast HST service from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. Go on, girl. 43317. With 43290. And away from the driver there, thank you very much. That Atalante is forming the 1420 Hull train service from London King's Cross to Hull. And the next train to pass by is a Virgin Trains East Coast 225 set with a service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. 92115. 82212. Thundering down the line. You gotta love the sound of it thundering across the points. Okay, now departing is the 1429 Northern service to Sheffield, formed of a 158 and a 153. One 158-791. County of Nottinghamshire. With 153-360. Okay, the next train to arrive is a Virgin Trains East Coast 225 service from Leeds to London King's Cross. It's the 1436 service. And coming in behind me is a Transpennine service bound for Cleethorpes, 185124. (82201) is leading the 1436 Virgin Trains East Coast service to London King's Cross, and I shall get the 91 upon her departure. Okay, now departing is the 1436 Virgin Trains East Coast service to London King's Cross as the 1436 Transpennine service to Cleethorpes departs, and the 1439 Transpennine service also pulls in bound for Manchester Airport. On the rear is 91109. Whoa, good crack from the pantograph there. Okay, now departing is the delayed 1439 Transpennine service to Manchester Airport. One 15122. And as she continues onwards, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you've seen today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. Again, I've thoroughly enjoyed my time here. It's a lot more quiet than what I'm used to, I must admit, but it has been brilliant fun nevertheless. In fact, I'm not going to end it there because I seem to have a West Coast Railways train turning up that I wasn't aware of. There was nothing in real-time trains to tell me that she was arriving. So I shall keep it going. There may be a steam loco on the rear, or it may just be a diesel hauling this lot. No, I think it's just the diesel on the front of this, but I'm going to keep going anyway and capture this one, so I was not expecting to see her. In fact, there are two diesels on this one. Alright then, so rumbling her way in is 47854 Diamond Jubilee. And pulling up on the rear is 47580 County of Essex. Just in the way there. Whilst I'm here, I'll give you guys a little bit of info about the Class 47. Yeah, I'm sure you can all read that. Have a little quick peek inside. Lovely job. Probably isn't the best one in the world, but yeah, it'll do. I'll also give you a little bit of info about the garages they have. Right, just back up again. .47 at the front doing all the pulling, 580 doing absolutely nothing to help. Well, that was a... Oh, I can hear that roaring in the distance. Well, that was a most pleasant surprise. I was not expecting to see that one rumbling through. I can only hope the camera, well, the microphone has picked up that rumbling in the distance. That was a cracking end to my visit at Doncaster. I was about to say that Leeds has been the fan favourite so far, but I think just from that alone, Doncaster has just clinched it. Of course, we still have Grantham to go. So, until next time, from me, here at Doncaster, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.